Hello students, in measures of dispersion we are in the next problem. The question is, you are given two shares x and y for 10 days, find out which share is more stable. You are given two shares x and y, x is 35, 54, 52, 53, 56, 58, 52, 50, 51, 49. Y is 108, 107, 105, 105, 106, 107, 104, 103, 104, 101. You have to find which share is more stable. For that, find first, you have to find x bar. What is x bar? Sum of observations by number of observations, that is 5, 10 by 10, which is 51 for x. For share y, add all the 3-digit numbers, divide by 10 because there are 10 numbers. 1050 by 10 is equal to 105. Next you have to find, here we are trying to find the standard deviation of the share, then we will find coefficient of variation of share x and coefficient of variation of share y. First of all, you got xi. Do xi minus x bar, that is 35 minus 51 minus 16. 54 minus 51 3, 52 minus 51 1, 53 minus 51 2. Like that you get all these values. Xi minus x bar whole square is minus 16 whole square, 3 square, 1 square, 2 square, 5 square, 7 square, 1 square, minus 1 whole square, 0 square, minus 2 whole square. You got 4. Add all this, you get 350. Next take y. Next you have to do yi minus y bar. That is, what is the mean? You got 105 here. So 108 minus 105, 3. Like that, subtract every value from 105, you get all these values. Y minus y bar whole square means this column we are squaring it. Then we are finding standard deviation of share x is equal to 1 by n summation xi minus x bar whole square. That is root of 350 by 10, that is 35. Root 35 is 5.92. Then standard deviation of share y, 1 by n summation yi minus y bar whole square, that is root 40 by 10, which is equal to 2. You got SG of share x, you got SG of share y. We have to find the coefficient of share of x. Coefficient of variation is standard deviation by mean into 100, that is 5.92 by 51 into 100, which is 11.61. Coefficient of share y, sigma y by y bar into 100, 2 by 105 into 100, that is 1.91. Now which is the smaller value here? 1.91 is the smaller value. So y shares are more stable compared to shares of x. Here in this problem, you are given mean of 5 observations is 4.4, variance is 8.24. If 3 observations are 1, 2, 6, find the other 2 observations. Let xy be the required observations. Then mean is 1 plus 2 plus 6 plus x plus y by 5 is equal to 4.4. 6 plus 1, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus x plus y is equal to 4.4 into 5. 9 plus x plus y is equal to 22. X plus y is equal to 22 minus 9, that is 13. Variance is given as 8.24. 1 by 5 into variance value, 1 minus 1.4, 2 minus 4.4, 3 minus 4.4, x minus 4.4, y minus 4.4 squares is equal to 8.24. Send this 5 up, you will get 41.2. 1 minus 4.4 minus 3.4, 2 minus 4.4 minus 2.4, 6 minus 4.4, 1.6. plus x square plus 2ax plus b square plus y square minus 2ab plus b square, that is equal to 41.2. x square plus y square minus 8.8 into x plus y is equal to, bring all the numericals this side, x square plus y square minus 8.8 into 13 is equal to minus 17.4. x square plus y square is equal to minus 114.4 is equal to minus 17.4. Bring this 114.4 that side, you will get x square plus y square is equal to 97. You have the values of x plus y, you have the values of x square plus y square. Let us find the value of xy. X plus y whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. 169 is equal to 97 plus 2xy. 169 minus 97 is 72, 2xy is 72, xy is 36. You have xy value, x plus y value, x square, y square value. Let us try to find x minus y whole square. X minus y whole square is x plus y whole square minus 4xy. That is 169 minus 144, which is 25. X minus y is equal to 5. X plus y is equal to 13. X minus y is equal to 5. Add them. You will get 2x is equal to 18. X is equal to 18 by 2. X is equal to 9. Y is equal to 4. So that's about this problem, children. Our next problem for today, find the mean and variance using step deviation method of the following tabular data giving age distribution of 542 members. Here you are given age in years, number of members 361, 132, 153, 140, 51, 2. So here n is equal to 542. Total number of members is equal to 542. First thing that you have to find is midpoint. How to find midpoint? 20 plus 30 by 2, 30 plus 40 by 2, 40 plus 50 by 2. Like that you will get the midpoints. Once you get the midpoints, you have to find yi. Yi is equal to xi minus a by h. A you are taking as 55. Xi values are these. H value is the width 10. So you get minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Next you have to find yi square. 9410149. Next fi yi. Fi are these, yi are these. You have to multiply these two. 3 into minus 3, minus 9. 61 into minus 2, minus 122. 132 into minus 1, minus 132. 153 into 0, 0. 140 into 1, 140. 51 into 2, 102. 2 into 3, 6. Next you have to find fi yi square. Fi values are what? These are all fi values into yi square values, these values. These two columns you have to multiply. You get 3 into 9, 27. 61 into 4, 244. Like that you get all the values. Add all these values, you get minus 15. Add all these values, you get 765. Now mean x bar. Mean x bar is a plus summation fi yi by n into h. That is 55 plus minus 15 by 542 into 10. 55, if you divide this, you get minus 0.277. That is 54.723. So that is how we find mean. Variance formula, sigma square is equal to h square by n square into n into fi by I whole square minus fi by I square. This is fi by I whole square. H square is 100 by n square is 542 square. This is 542 into 765 minus of minus 15 square. 100 by 293764. This into this 414630 minus 225. 100 by 293764 into, if you subtract this you get 414405. If you multiply all you will get 14107 years. So that is how you calculate the variance, and this is mean.